Hello, yeah, in this video I will show you how to perform a two-way ANOVA analysis in R. So first let's read in the data set from the built-in data set library. The data set we're going to use is called the warp breaks. You can see it has three variables. Breaks is actually a numerical value. It's the number of breaks. So this data set is actually used for demonstrating Poisson regression, like a counter data model. Here we are borrowing it. So we view breaks as a normally distributed continuous variable. Okay? And we got two factors, Wu and tension here. To fit a two-way ANOVA model in R is very simple. The R function is an AOV, just as if we were doing a one-way ANOVA. So the syntax is the AOV, and the formula is breaks tiered Wu plus tension, and data equal to df. So we can print out the output of this two-way ANOVA. We can see the p-value for Wu is 0.07, so we can call it marginally significant. And the p-value for tension is 0.00138, so it is significant. And then we know for two-way ANOVA, we are interested in the interaction. So for adding the interaction term to the mean effects model, we can use the formula breaks tiered Wu plus tension and Wu colon tension and data equal df. And that's a summary. Now you can see the interaction term is highly significant, and tension is still significant. And of course, there's another way we can fit a two-way ANOVA model with both mean effects and interaction. So this here's M3. It's AOV break tiered Wu, now star tension data equal df. And then summary. So this is similar, exactly the same as the two-way ANOVA analysis in M2. Okay. And also, it's a very typical for generating an interaction plot, especially when there's a significant interaction term. It's a very good visualization, really help readers to understand the interaction effect. A quick way to do that is we load the library effects and then just use the function of all effects of M3 and plot. You can see it's generated on the right-hand side. So you get the two panels. One panel is for Wu equal to A, and then you got tension from low, medium to high. And the other one is Wu equal to B, and also tension going from low, medium, and high. Okay, so that's a very brief demonstration for performing a two-way ANOVA in R.